the speaking test today. Are you ready?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Okay, and what is your name?
My name is Anna.
Hello, Anna. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
And how are you today?
I'm happy.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
And what food do you like, Anna?
I like him.
What food do you like?
I like carrots.
Carrots. And what colors do you like?
Yellow.
Yellow. Do you like red? Do you like red?
No.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
Is this red? Yes or no?
No, I don't.
Is this red? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. What letter is it?
The letter M sound no.
What letter is it?
Letter N sound no.
What letter is it?
Letter O sound o.
Good job. What letter is it?
Letter P sound letter Q sound go. Letter R sound
R. Okay. And look and say the word that has sound.
mountain.
Mountain. Very good, Anna. What do you see? I see
I see rainbow.
a rainbow. What is your favorite color in the rainbow? What colors do you like?
Yellow.
I like.
I like yellow.
Very good. And what about
Orange.
orange?
Orange.
Good. Do you like oranges?
Yes, I do.
What do you see? I see.
Fish.
I see a fish. Good. Do you like fish?
Yes, I do.
What can fish do? The fish can. The fish can swim. The fish can swim.
Yes.
Alright. And look and see the word that has sound.
Popcorn.
Popcorn. Very good. What number is it?
It's 9.
Number 9. And what do you see? I see a fox.
I see a fox.
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 And do you like foxes?
No.
No, I don't.
No, I do.
Okay, look and say the word that has sound.
Robot.
Robot. Do you like robots?
No, I don't.
And what do you see?
I see map.
Alright, map. And Anna, tell me, what do you see?
I see monkey.
A monkey. Do you like monkeys?
No, I don't.
No, you don't. And what's this? It's a
Is
nest.
nest.
Alright, how many eggs are there in the nest?
One.
There are. And how many eggs inside the nest? There are
There are two nests.
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
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 And is this an ostrich?
Yes.
Yes. What's the beginning letter? Letter.
Letter O sound on.
And what do you see? I see
panda.
a panda. What colors is it? It's
Black.
white and
White.
and
And
black.
black.
And who is she? She is.
green.
Alright. And what's the beginning sound? What's the beginning sound? Quack.
Letter Q sound quack, quack, quack.
Good. And what's this? It's a
rose.
say rose.
Rose.
Okay, it's a rose.
It's a rose.
Do you like roses?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you did. And thank you very much, Anna. That concludes our speaking test. Goodbye.